Hi everyone and welcome back. I wanted to do a quick flip through of my most recent journal that I have in the shop right now. This is another recipe journal. This is similar to the previous journal I had, I think a month and a half ago or something like that. So it's basically a journal that I would think you could use for putting your special recipes in, family recipes, kitchen memories, things like that. There's lots of pages to write in, plus a ton of vintage ephemera that I kind of stuffed in pockets and things like that. So let's do a quick flip through. So this is made out of a vintage recipe booklet, advertising booklet. This is for Eagle brand. And it just has some cakes and things, pictures of desserts and things on the front and back of it. And then there's one signature in it. There's about 63 pages, 62 pages, 64, something like that. I can put the exact number, I'll have the exact number in the shop. But first we've got some pockets here with some, just some little decorative trim and things like that. And then I have all kinds of, I don't want to pull all of this stuff out, but just lots of recipe cards, more places to write your recipes, kitchen memories, and just everything's kind of decorated. And there's lots of stuff to discover in this journal. This is what I like too about it. And then I just have a couple other fun little things in here. Some vintage flashcards, tons, everything in here is vintage. There's a few things just to kind of go with the color palette that aren't vintage, but most of it is all vintage. This pocket here was even made from a vintage Betty Crocker recipe binder that had different pockets in it. And I took the pockets out and created a pocket on this page. Also, the scrapbook paper in here is from October Afternoon as well as Cartabella. So it's got kind of some old-fashioned kind of kitchen designs in it. And so here's another little calendar page from a cookbook. And then there's some more little recipe cards tucked in here. I have a little this little booklet for sandwich fun. It's just got some vintage sandwich recipes in it, and it's just kind of fun to flip through. You could even try some of the recipes if you wanted. And then here, kind of in the middle, I created more of a space to do some writing. So there's a lot of blank pages. I put some fun little catalog pages in here that kind of go with the kitchen theme or the recipe theme, just a kitchen table, bar stools, that kind of thing. And then just all kinds of vintage ledger paper to write on. And then some little recipes tucked in there. And there's a little kitchen poem. And then kind of getting towards the back here, more blank pages and just, again, some fun little recipes kind of tucked in there. Some vintage graph paper. So there is a lot in here. I love these catalog pages. I have so much fun going through the catalog pages and kind of finding the perfect kind of themed item to pull from the catalog to put in my journals. It's really fun to flip through because you get to see the whole catalog. And I think this one was from 1960s Sears catalog. This barstool page, so it's kind of fun. And then here's just some more little things I tucked in here. There's actually a couple layers here. So there's this page here, and then this little envelope here's got some fun things kind of tucked in it. I won't pull everything out, but I put one of the strawberry shortcake cards in this one too. This one is just some strawberries, but I like the back, so that's why I kind of have it facing out. I try to put everything in here so everything kind of sticks out a little bit so you get to kind of see what you're getting. And then there's a fun little party invite. And I like this because you can kind of open it up and do journaling. And then it actually has the date, time, and place on it. So you could put some more, kind of put some information about what you're writing about here. And then just some more. This is another part of the vintage Betty Crocker cookbook binder I was telling you about. I took this part out of there as well. And then another little cake recipes. And then just some fun little... everything has the cooking theme to it. And then just some more little fun things tucked into this last pocket here. So I had a lot of fun making this one. It's similar to my previous one, but yet different because it kind of like a I just like to kind of do a few different things and kind of let the journal kind of make itself. But this kind of came together really nicely. And I'm actually going to be working on a second one that's like this that I'm going to put in at a later date. I haven't gotten everything together for it yet, but I will have that too. But this is available right now for purchase, and all the information will be over on my Etsy shop. I'll have a link below, and let me know if you have any questions. Thank you.